In today's video, I can guarantee you some absolutely incredible winter sights. Here in Bavaria, we've had loads of snow and it's absolutely amazing. Hello and welcome back. Today we are out enjoying the absolutely incredible winter conditions we have here in Bavaria. There's so much snow, the trees look absolutely magical and I cannot wait to take some photos. So let's go see what I can find. Oh, this is wonderful. It is absolutely freezing though. The high today is -3 and it's definitely not that warm at the moment. I reckon it must be -5, -6 at the minute and it's biting cold. Now there's a shot if ever there was one. This little jetty is pointing at the hut for once. What a lovely, lovely scene that is. And here's the shot. Oh, that is bright. But it feels like there are shots everywhere. Now, admittedly, most of them include this little hut over the other side of the lake, but all the trees look amazing. And yeah, it's just incredible. I'm kind of trying to get as many shots in. The sun's probably only about 15 minutes dropping behind the mountain. And this is just amazing. It's how often do you get this opportunity with these conditions? So it's a bit frantic at the minute. There are photos everywhere. It's fantastic.
He is happy for once.
Just look at the amount of snow on the trees, it's incredible. Every single direction I look is beautiful, it's pretty, and it's interesting. And the light's still around. So it's going to take some editing, this is, but what a problem to have. As you can see behind me, the light of the sun is starting to move across the lake. I think it's almost left the lake completely, but it's still on the mountains behind. So we've still got plenty of things to be shooting and plenty of light, but it's just not quite as uniform across the image as it would have been earlier. But who cares? This is amazing. I'm loving this. Just so much snow on the trees, and evergreen trees and snow equals beautiful pictures. Well, normally anyway. Absolutely love almost the pillows of snow, or the clouds as Michelle calls them. It's wonderful. It's freezing! Of course, as the light goes, the temperatures really start to plummet and it's really, really cold now. So I think we're towards the end of certainly this part of the day's photography. I'm hoping to get somewhere that has a slightly more distant view of the sunset and maybe get a little bit of that sunset colours reflected in the snow. That would be lovely. I'm not sure if I'll find anywhere, but that's the plan. So this part, absolutely amazing. Loved every moment of it. Got far too many photos and hopefully some of them are really, really good. What an afternoon that was. Let's hope there's plenty more of this to come this winter and we see lots and lots more snow. But that was absolutely fantastic.